If Mark Cuban was a superhero, who do you think he would be? Iron Man or Superman? Cuban says that he's the kind of person who invents things that always fail, and because of that, he has become a person who learns from his mistakes and uses those lessons to help people. Today, Cuban is amongst the world's best entrepreneurs and investors in stocks and digital assets. And in this video, we will be answering the question, why is Cuban advising us to not sell our crypto? If you're keen to hear about today's topic, make sure you stay till the end of this video. Hello Cavaliers of Crypto and welcome to AB Crypto, where we take a simple approach to break down the latest and most educative topics about the cryptocurrency market. If you're new to our channel, just hit that subscribe button below and hit the notification bell to receive any new video updates. You can also follow us on TikTok at _AB_crypto_, and if you want to read some more about today's topic, you can get the links down in the description below. So let's get started. During his fireside chat with Sarah Hammer, the managing director of Warden Stevens Center for Innovation and Finance, Cuban went deep into DeFi, or short for decentralized finances, which is used to describe the system for financial products available on the decentralized blockchain network. But before he went into that, Cuban spoke about his first entrepreneurial endeavor at 12 years of age, garbage bags. Cuban says that his first entrepreneurial business was when he used to sell garbage bags. While telling his story, he says that most people usually confuse selling with convincing. And for him, selling is understanding the value of your product and helping people understand how your product or service can actually help them. Now, the question on our mind, what does selling garbage bags have to do with the emerging crypto industry? With everything from digital currency like Bitcoin and NFTs to the blockchain. Cuban says that the analogies of crypto are extremely relevant right now. And he adds that a lot of people look at crypto as being a technology-driven environment, which to him, it's not. He says that the technology around crypto is the easiest thing ever, and that blockchains are all basic forms of each other, and that there isn't a lot of innovation, and therefore you have to understand what's going to drive people to use it. He finishes by saying, it's so easy to clone anything that's out there that you have to understand how you are going to get the adoption. And if you don't have the adoption, then you've definitely got nothing. So let's dive deeper and see what Cuban says about selling your crypto. For his investments, when deciding on whether to hold or sell a stock or a crypto, Bitcoin and Ethereum holders are great examples to follow. He says that the one thing about crypto is that they all have different types of utility, such that Bitcoin is an alternative to gold and therefore a store of value, while Ethereum has a programming language on it called smart contracts that allow you to build all different kinds of applications. And so, you have to look into investing in crypto the same way that you would invest in anything. Once you truly like something about a certain crypto, for example, the concept behind it, and in the future, you'd like it to be in a place where you can see it being worth investing, then invest in it immediately as a long-term crypto investor. And with that, you will for sure see profit. Cuban uses Bitcoin holders as an example of this, whereby he says that many bought it at the highs in 2017 and have watched it fall by 2/3 or more and then would see it rise again. But the most inspiring thing about this is that the value of their coins was astonishing after that long-term investment because they truly believed in the asset. And investing in crypto today is like investing in the internet stocks in the 90s, where if you were to have been a long-term investor, you would have been extremely successful. Essentially, what Mark Cuban means is that in crypto, you must practice the virtue of patience such that you should not be somebody who has the mindset of selling whenever things get shifty. Well, this brings us to the end of today's video. We hope you guys found this video resourceful and entertaining. And if you have any more information to add to improve to the content in this video, please do so in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and if you loved watching this video, send us those likes. We thank you guys for watching and see you in our next video.